Hey everyone, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is fine. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Doctor and Forex Trader. We are here for another live session. As you know, we are trading NAS 100 live and we are trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenge. We are trading using a price action strategy on 5 minutes time frame, and the main theme for this program, for this channel is to provide everything completely raw and real, without hiding anything, without lying to you, just telling you truth and showing you the reality of trading, how the things in reality pursue, so that if someone is thinking of pursuing career in trading, has some idea that how things will proceed in life. I'm here for you people. You can ask me whatever you want regarding trading, regarding funded challenges, regarding other financial aspects. Alright, so let's start today's session. So I hope my screens are visible to you. Let's do a quick recap. On day 30, we did nothing. We waited for a setup. We didn't got any. I think it was around there, here. So we didn't have any trade. This is our funded account balance right now. It's 9900, around 1% drawdown we are in. This was the last trade which we took on 21st February, that is day 29 of our challenge, and we book a profit of $232, right? So let's start today's session. Let's do top down analysis with 1 day time frame starting. So what I am seeing is higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so it's a clear cut uptrend if you see it like this. It was a higher low, and again if you see it's a higher high, right? So uptrend is continued. 4 hour, it's clear cut uptrend in 4 hour also. From here it's a reversal, right? Trend is bullish. Next 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour also we can see there's mild reversal from here and it started forming higher lows and higher highs. Cool. Next 15 minutes, just to mark the levels. So we'll be using other levels previously we marked, because levels are most of the time same. You can see these are again and again respected. How beautifully. If required, we'll mark others also. So one I am seeing is this level, right? Which is a good level from where market has reacted multiple times. Simple. So one I can see is this zone. You can also see, I think, right? Next, if required, we'll mark on 5 minutes time frame. So just see whether is there any more important level which you can mark. I think we can also use this one. Because for intraday, these small levels matter a lot. You will get a good trade in these levels only. On comparing to intraday perspective, these are wide apart. So now what a simple trade can be: a retest of this zone. First it will try to trap the buyers and then it will come down to take re-entry from this point. So what I am thinking of, either an engulfing candle or a double bottom from here with an engulfing candle, and then a good buy session for there. One more option is this simple. Third option, it comes, breaks out, breaks down, forms a double top. Cool. So these three are present options for me, nothing else. So now our job is to just wait and watch and wait for any particular setup if it forms. In just 5-7 minutes, your job of analysis and things is done. Now you just have to wait patiently for your turn for the market to provide you a good entry and you are good to go. On analysis part, you are over. Just gave this analysis. Let's see whether there is any news event today. No, nothing. Very good evening, brother. How are you doing? I am also good, pretty charged up. So I'm waiting for something like this. What I am thinking is can happen and should happen. It should come, it will go like this, and then it will come like this. And today I'll test a new setup. I will place once this happens, I will place my buy order exactly here where everyone has a stop loss, and then we'll wait for the target. So I have a setup in my mind. Let's see. So I'm telling you in prior only so that you don't get people don't get confused when we'll take the entry. Any questions, any doubts, anything anyone want to ask? So if once such pattern starts to form, what I'll be doing is then I will place my entry just below this, right? And I'll use a very small stop loss and will use this as the target. I just learned something new in price action trading only, and it's matching with my strategy also, so let's give it a try. I'll explain it later on, but first let's try it. So how's you all people trading going on? Let's have an interactive session. Tell me about yourself, your trading, your things going on. You three are sitting here. That's good. Go very slow. Your success will come very fast. It's 100% true in trading. I can bet you on that. One who tries to achieve things fast in trading never achieves. That's why patience is most important in this trading world, for sure. What is the meaning of acceleration in your words? What do you feel? Tell me. Does acceleration means 100% return a month or 200% or what? So I'll explain you the psychology behind this thing. Let's first see if it works out. Then you will get a good trading strategy for sure. Let it form first. If it forms, then only I will tell you. Otherwise, there's no point. I'll explain you it live example only. A new thing which I have learned from very renowned trader. Although I don't jump from strategies, this is also I'm not jumping, it is simply aligning with my price action, then only I'll use it. Otherwise not. And that's also simple price action strategy, nothing else. Okay, give it a try. I'm not understanding your things. If you are clear, if you know what you are thinking clearly, then it's okay. According to me, I don't think you are thinking right. Why are you still having fear? What is the fear in your mind? You will overcome it slowly. It will take time, but you will overcome. So, as a scalper and intraday trader, how much trades should we take maximum every day? Answer, please. See, basic rule of scalping is you have a smaller target with a very high position size, right? So, your number of trades should depend on your stop loss range of that day. It should not depend on number of trades. Like a simple random number doesn't matter for these traders. You should have a range that, like most people favor, that you should not lose more than 1 or 1.5% a day. Agree? So, if you are scalping and you are risking, suppose 0.5% in a trade, so you have a freedom to lose 3 trades in a day. right? So as a scalper, if you have suppose three losing trades continuously, then you will lose 1.5% of your account. Your day should be closed. It should not depend on the number of trades. If you are going profitable, then you can have your trades, four trades, five trades, because as a scalper, there is no limit on the number of trades. But yes, you should not lose more than a decided amount on a particular day. This should be your rule, fixed rule. And being an intraday trader, similar, your loss, stop loss for that day should be fixed that I will not lose more than this. And most of the traders try to take just one or two trades in a day, because the main thinking for me, that I think in my opinion, is being an intraday trader who is mostly trading on 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, you should have a very limited chart time. That's my opinion, okay? Because people are converting trading into a foundation. It is a beautiful profession designed to give you freedom, not foundation, right? If you are stick whole day to the charts, then what's the freedom there? I think it is more dependent than a computer job. There you have a fixed time, but if you are doing forex trading, 24-hour charts are running, then you are stick to screen for the whole day, and your results will decline, that I can guarantee you, if you are sticking to the charts for complete day. The less time you will give to the charts, the more better your results will be. That's also for sure. So, being an intraday trader, if you're trading on 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame, you should have a window that in this 1 hour or 2 hour window I will trade. After that, I will not trade in the day. Like we are trading NAS 100 live, we have a maximum 2 hour window, 7 to 9. After that, I will not see the charts. Before that, I will not see the charts. That 2 hour I will give to the charts, and that too, just 5 minutes I take for the analysis. After that, it's just patience. You can watch other things, you can read your books, you can analyze charts in that meantime, you can do anything. And after just executing the trade, you are free. Your orders should be placed in advance, and you should not be thinking anything and just enjoy. Like most of the time I do, after 9 I close the screen completely. I'll see later on whether my target is hit or my stop loss is hit. Like that, you detach yourself from the results and your results will improve. In trading, it will improve when you will detach from the results. So, always give a very limited time to the screen. The people who give just 10 minutes, 15 minutes, that's it. What you do after 9 o'clock? After 9 o'clock, I study my medical profession, some books, then some family time, talk to my family on my mobile, talk to my girlfriend on my mobile, then read a good self help book, and then sleep. So, these things you get with experience, and don't just vanish them away. Someone is saying to you, try to implement these things in your life as well. The things which I regularly say, that less is more in trading, slow is fast in trading. These are things that real people have got from experience. I also have learned these things from experience. If you will detach yourself from continuous up and down seeing in the market, your psychology will be improved, your anxiety will be relieved, and you will become a much better trader. So this is this one, right? You can say this. Now I will place my buy order here, and I'll wait if market will give me an entry. Cool. And this will be my stop loss, and this will be at least my target, or I'll trail things. But right now I'm placing my buy order here with a stop loss of this 11 points. This is some new concept which I have learned, so I'm trying it today, just giving it a try. I agree, you are right. Everyone has a different approach, and if you are profitable using your approach, it's good. Don't listen to anyone else, even not me, right? So this concept is, I think, not valid now. It straight away got to the target. Funding frontier. I think today's trade is missed. Okay. Let's see. We'll wait for half an hour more if any other opportunity is waiting. I will use, it's just the first live account which I am trading live. So I'll place the buy order here. Okay. I'll see working of this system. Just hold on. Yeah, I have placed this position, but I'll modify it a little bit. So our entry I have placed here, right? But my stop loss I will be placing is not here, here. So it's around 935, right? And now the risk is 44. So I'll be risking $100 in this. So I'll modify this trade 3.9. I think this is the maximum margin we can take. So this is the entry point placed. Stop loss is still not according to, yes, it's okay now. So now we will wait if our order will be triggered for the entry or maybe not. So I have placed two orders now, right? Let's see if it will come to take the entry. So our entry is placed. right? These are our orders now. Our stop loss is also in place. So if this system wants to work, it won't go down now. So it will be a $63 loss. It will be a $45. It's well in our range now. The loss you can see here, it's minus $45 possible. It's 63, around $109 total loss possible, right? And now this is the entry which we have took. This is the entry, right? Let's cross check once more. This is the entry. So this is the entry. Around this is our stop loss. I'll risk $120 and this is the target at least. So I'll place the stop loss exactly here for both the trades and target at least this. We'll see. So one is exactly here. Just place this one also here. So both the stop loss are here. So it hasn't worked well, right? We suffered a loss of around $130. Let me explain you which system I was trying. There's a famous trader known as David Paul. I hope you have heard about him. So he uses a famous system, Wyckoff spring theory, right? That was a thing which I was trying to use and just see the efficacy of it. He said it's around a 60% efficacy system. And I usually follow that person a lot. That's why I gave it a try. We'll see in future also. I'll do a little bit back testing of that. Do a little bit forward testing of that system. And then we'll analyze. Till we are following the rules, we are taking losses and control. There's no problem in that. Okay. Our loss today also is properly in a range. We haven't, it's not updated. We haven't lost more than the appetite, so it's okay. And in fact, I think I did a blunder. Yep. Yeah, I did complete blunder here. Let me show you something. It's a 15 minutes time frame. So Wyckoff theory is well now placed here, right? It was properly a trade according to Wyckoff's theory. Just see, it properly came below just this candle to execute all the stop losses, and now it will shoot up most probably. So it was the first time I was using it, so it's not a problem for me that I had a loss. The main thing is it working or not? So I can see it is working if it booms from here. Just see if it would be an entry point and you would have placed any stop loss or logical stop loss anywhere, and you can use at least this as a target, you would have a nice trade. So we'll use it in future. We'll try to see whether we get a good system. Great. Keep on doing your analysis. And now most probably it will shoot up. Alright, so let's close today's session. Just had a loss. We'll gone out of our rules a little bit. No problem. We'll bounce back strongly. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Good night. Your host, your friend, Dr. D. Our balance is now, just let's see once. It is 9770. So these are two losses which we took today, $130, right? All right.